This is the SAT Maths No Calculator Practice Test 6. Let's get started. Okay, so this question asks us how many tickets, purchase tickets from a vendor. The vendor charges a one-time service fee. The equation shows y 59 plus 12. What does 12 represent? So the service fee is a one-time fee. So 12 will have to be the service fee. A gardener buys two kinds of fertilizer. Fertilizer A contains 60% filler material by weight, and fertilizer B contains 40% filler materials by weight. Together, the fertilizers bought by the gardener contain a total of 240 pounds. Relationship where X is the number of fertilizers of fertilizer by pounds of A, and Y is the number of fertilizers by pounds of B. So 60% of fertilizer A is filler material, so that would be 0.6x, which is this one. All right, now let's go to the third one. What is the sum of the complex numbers 2 plus 3i and 4 plus 8i? As simple as 11i plus 6. Okay, that was simple addition. Let's go to the fourth one. In the equation above, P and T are constants. Which of the following could be the value of P? Alright, so a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We're finding the value of p, so 4x square is equal to px square. Root on both sides, that would give us 2x is equal to px, so p will be equal to 2. We could just check it once again if we want. 2x minus t. Alright, so 4x square minus t square. That's correct. Seems correct. Anyways, let's go to the next question. Alright, the fifth question. Which of the following is the graph of the equation y equals to 2x minus 5 in the xy plane? So the intercept is minus 5, y-intercept is minus 5, y-intercept is minus 5. So that's this one and this one, not the other two. And the slope is positive, it's 2x, so the answer will be D. Alright, let's go to the next page. Okay, if x is equal to 2 by 3y and y is equal to 18, what is the value of 2x minus 3? Alright, x is equal to 2 by 3 times 18, 18, 1, 5, 6, 6, 12. X is equal to 12. What is the value of 2x minus 13? That's 24 minus 3 is 21. The seventh one. A bricklayer uses the formula N is equal to 7LH to estimate the number of bricks N needed to build a wall that is L feet long and H feet high. Which of the following correctly represents L in terms of N and H? L in terms of N and H, so 7H is equal to L, right? L in terms of N and H, yeah, 7, this one. Alright, let's go to the next one. Eighth one. The table above shows the sum values of the function w and t. For which value of x is wx plus dx is equal to t is equal to x. Well, that's pretty simple. So we just we basically add these two columns and see if it adds up to the first column. That seems like pretty much everything. This does make sense because that would give us 2. Let's see if any other makes sense. We are supposed to add it, right? So this was given 5. This is not correct. Not correct. Not correct. Seems that this is the answer. And the value of x is 2 in that case. So let's go with 2. Because 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And that's essentially wx plus dx is equal to x. Okay, let's go to the ninth one. If root of x plus this is equal to 0 to 64, what is the value of x? Alright, so what we could do is, we know root 64 is 8. Okay, and root 3 is equal to 9. For this case, I'm just ignoring plus minus, but anyways, minus 3, that will give us 5, so that's root 5. X is, oh no, it's square, so 25, right? 5, yeah, 25. Well, let's go to the next question. Alright, Jamie is preparing for a bicycle race. His goal is to bicycle an average of 280 miles per week for 4 weeks. He bicycled 240 miles for the first week, 310 for the second week, 320 for the third. We got 3 numbers. Which inequality can be used to represent the number of miles Jamie could bicycle on the 4th week to meet his goal? So an average of at least, so more than equal to for sure. Okay, all of the signs correspond to that. We'd have 240 plus 310 plus 320 plus x. 240, 310, 320 plus x. And usually it'd be divided by 4, but that just goes over here, I guess, in this case. So yeah, this is the correct answer. Alright, let's go to the 11th one. The vertex of a parabola in the xy plane shown above is 0, c. Alright. Which of the following is true about the parabola with the equation y is equal to minus x minus b the whole square plus c? So the one in the bracket is inverted, right? So this would be b is the center and b comma c is the vertex, and the graph opens upward. No, it opens downward because it's negative. So b. Alright, let's go to the 12th one. So the following is equivalent to 4x squared plus 6x by 4x plus. Alright, just simplification, I guess. First we could remove 2 common over here, so that would become 2x squared plus 3x is equal to 2x plus 1. Now, the easiest way to solve this would just be substituting x. So if we take that as x is equal to 1, right, that would give us 4 plus 6 by 4 plus 2. So that's 10 by 6, that is equal to, not equal to x, so that's not the right answer, x plus 4. So if x again is 1, so is 5 equal to 4? Oh, okay, we just had that, right? So 10 by 6, 5 by 3, let's put it as 5 by 3. It's not equal to this, so this is wrong. What about this? If x is equal to 1 in this case as well, but this side would give us 1 minus 2 by 4 plus 2. That's about 1 minus 2 by 6, and 1 minus 1 by 3. That's 2 by 3. Yes, 3 by 3, 2 by 3, correct. So is 2 by 3 is equal to this? No, not the right answer. This, there is only one difference between these two. You're adding a 1. So 2 by 3 plus 1 is just another 3 by 3. So that gives us 5 by 3. Exactly what we had here, 5 by 3. So answer D is correct. Alright, let's go to the 13th one. The equation about t is a constant. If the equation has no real solutions, which of the following could be the value of t? We could probably take this over here. Minus t is equal to 0. For an equation with no real solutions, b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. Just this case, we'll just solve b squared minus 4ac. Minus 4 squared would give us 16 minus 4 into 2 into c is minus t in this case. So 16 minus a plus 8t is equal to 0. So 8t is equal to minus 16. T is equal to minus 16 by 8, which is equal to minus 2. So this is when b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. The answer is minus 2, but when it is less than 0, it's got to be less than minus 2, so the answer should be A. Alright, so that's this page. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, a laundry service is buying detergent and fabric softener from its supplier. The supplier will deliver no more than 300 pounds in a shipment. So maximum of 300 pounds. Each container of detergent weighs, okay, so let's put it like this, D. And each fabric softener weighs this much. The service wants to buy at least twice. Okay, so we can eliminate C and D because 14.70 doesn't make sense, and we have twice as many, again I'm saying this, twice as many detergents as fabric softeners. So the number of detergents is more than the number of fabric softeners. So D has to be greater than S. And if 2D is greater than equal to S, that means the value of S is more than D, but that's not the case. So it should be A in this for this. The answer should be A for this question. Alright, let's go to the 15th one. Which of the following is equivalent to A plus B by 2 the whole square? So A square plus 2A into B plus B squared. That's B squared by 4. Alright, so cancel this. We'll get A squared plus AB plus B squared by 4. Are we missing anything? I don't think so. Is this an option? Yeah, this is an option. This is D. Alright, let's go to the next question. Okay, we fill in the boxes. Alright, the 16th one. If A raised to B by 4 is 16, for positive integers A and B, what is one possible value of B? Okay, so there can be other values as well. Alright, so we know this would probably be this, right? So it is A raised to B cube root is equal to 16. Again, this is a non-calculator question, which is what makes this a bit more difficult. I mean, we could just do 16 raised to 4. Well, actually, that would make sense. Is equal to 16 raised to 4, right? That case, A would be 16 and B would be 4. So the answer for this should be 4. Alright, let's go to the 17th one. What value of t is this? What value of t is the solution of the equation above? Quite simple. Cross multiply 15. T is equal to 15 by 4. Alright, that's the answer. The 18th one. In the figure above, PD is parallel to AE. BD is parallel to AE. Let's mark it using this. Alright, and what is the length of CE? So this is most probably a similarity question. Yeah, so if we have 8 and 6, this should also be 90 degrees. And that would be the hypotenuse, right? So 8 squared plus 6 squared is equal to the hypotenuse, which is x squared. So 64 plus 6 squared is 36 is equal to x squared. That gives us 70, 100, 100 is equal to x squared. X is equal to 10. So if this is 10, this is 6 and 18, so that's about 3 times, right? 6 into 3. So that should be 30, 10 into 3. So the answer should be 30. Alright, let's go to the 19th question. How many liters of a 25% saline solution must be added to 3 liters of a 10% saline solution to obtain a 15% saline solution? So we got a 25% saline solution and we have 10% saline solution. These are the key pointers. Let's try solving this using probability. So 0.25. I'll just put it down as 25 by 100 of a saline. How many liters? So okay, this much must be added to 3 liters of a 10% obtain a 15% saline solution. Well, let's see, this would be 1 by 4. 1 by 4, so L by 4 plus 3 by 10 is equal to we actually put it down like this. 15. All right, so it's 0.3, so that'll be 1.5, and this is 1 by 4, which is 0.25 minus 0.15, that is 0.10. L is equal to this, so L is equal to 0.15 by 0.10. That's cancel the 0 is 15 by 10, 1.5. That the answer should be about 1.5, exactly 1.5. Okay, the 20th one. Point A and B lie in a circle with radius 1. So we have a circle and radius which is equal to 1, and arc AB. Okay, we have an arc AB has, actually let's start this from here, right? Looks a little more neat. AB has length pi by 3, so the length for this is pi by 3. What fraction of the circumference of the circle is okay, so what fraction of the circumference of the circle is this? Alright, so we know the length of the arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, right? We have r is 1, so we get theta by 360 into 2 pi is equal to pi by 3. Cancel the pi's, that would be okay. We get 1 by 6 theta by 360. If 360 goes here, 6 goes here. Alright, we'll get 360 by 6. Theta is equal to this, and we'd have 6 is 60. So if this is 60 degrees, right, this arc directly corresponds to that. So 60 by 360 should be 1 by 6. Now, what fraction of the circumference? So there's this. Is it? Yeah, it should be 1 by 6. Just make sure you have the fractions in correct order. 1 by 6, not just 6, not 6 by 1. All right.